Right, welcome to Duke's Cafe presents Sakshi Spellbee 14th edition in association with Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Sakshi Spellbee was launched with its first edition back in 2012 and has since become one of the most eagerly awaited academic events for schools across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Participation has grown consistently with every edition, and the 14th edition alone, students from more than 600 schools have taken part in this. A contest divided broadly in 4 categories, category 1, 2, 3 and 4. After the preliminary round, student progressed through successive qualifying rounds. Today we are proud to see participants not just from Twin Cities, but remote areas, from the state of Telangana. All competing here for gold, silver and bronze medals. Give them a good round of applause, a really good one. And a Spellbee is not just about spelling words, but about building confidence, focus, and curiosity. So here they're learning something in pressure. So let us hope they will all go winning and learning something here. Right? And we have with us our Spellbee master, Ms. Vidya. Let us give her a very big round of applause. Vidya has been a teacher, mentor for about 18 years and enjoys it immensely. And trying new experience here now, and traveling is her other interest. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Madhurima.
Hope everyone is excited for the event. I will be reading out the rules and regulations now. So in the first round, each participant will be given 2 words. Participants who spell both words correctly will advance to the next round. Participants who misspell both words will be eliminated. And the participants who spell one word correctly will be given one additional word. If they spell it correctly, they move on to the next round. This will be followed by further elimination rounds till we arrive at the last 4 to 5 participants. Then, a 1-minute rapid round will be conducted. During this round, each participant will be given 5 words. The participant who spells the maximum number of words correctly within the given time will be declared the winner. Now, as a suggestion, please take your time and feel free to ask the Bee Master to pronounce the word as many times as needed. The words in the list originate from various European languages, so feel free to ask for the meaning in case of any confusion in the pronunciation. Wishing all the participants the best of luck. So we will be commencing with round 1, where you will be given 2 words each. So to begin this battle of spellings, I would now like to call upon the first participant for today, contestant number 1, Arnav Alluri from Global Edge School, Madhapur, Hyderabad.
Your first word is gigantic.
Gigantic.
Good job, you got that right. Your second word is credulous.
Credulous.
Good job, good job.
The next participant is Sareen Talari Cheruvu from Chirek International School, KP, Hyderabad.
Your first word, drudgery.
Drudgery. Drudgery.
You got it right. I am going to give you a second word, which is hilarious.
Hilarious. Hilarious.
Good job. You got that right too.
Up next, we have Vainavi Tulasi Ram from Global Edge School, Vasant Nagar, Hyderabad.
Your first word, naive.
The meaning, please?
The meaning of naive is a person showing a lack of experience, wisdom, or judgment.
Naive. Naive.
Good job. Good job. Your second word, immense.
The meaning, please?
Immense is something which is in a large quantity or size or degree or amount.
IMMENSE.
All right. Good job. Good job. Both right.
Up next, we have Nimit Roy from Rockwell International School, Hyderabad.
Eclectic.
Can you repeat the word, please?
Yes. Eclectic.
ECLECTIC.
Good job. You got that right. So let me give you your second word. Ferocious.
Can you tell the meaning?
Ferocious is something which is very cruel, violent, or fierce.
FEROCIOUS.
Good job. Good job.
The next participant is Toshani Mukherjee from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
Ready?
Yes.
Your first word. Souvenir.
SOUVENIR.
Very good job. Good work there. And your second word would be lethargy.
LETHARGY.
Good. Very good. Both right.
Up next is Vaishnavi Tulasi Ram from Global Edge School, Vasant Nagar, Hyderabad.
Your first word. Mirth.
Can I have the meaning, please?
So mirth is amusement, especially as expressed in laughter.
Can you repeat the word?
Mirth.
MIRTH.
Good job. Good job. After making me work hard, you got it right. Second word. Sparse.
SPARSE.
Good job. I was really, really tense.
And the next participant is Anshika Valiveti from Johnson Grammar School, CBSE Nacharam, Hyderabad.
Your first word. Aberration.
ABERRATION.
Very good job. I like how all of you are taking time and ensuring that the right letter comes out of your mouth. The second word, gullible.
GULLIBLE.
Good job.
Up next, we have B. Bhuvan from Ambitus School, Siddipet.
Your first word, sovereign, or as an American would say it, sovereign.
Sovereign. SOVIEREN.
Two misses there, SOVEREIGN. I'm sorry. I'm going to give you the second word, which is capricious.
DEPRICIOUS.
I'm sorry, I think you got the first letter wrong. CAPRICIOUS. So I'm sorry, but please take your seat.
I would now like to call upon Challa Nishant from Cornerstone School, Hyderabad.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
First word, obedient.
May I have the meaning, please?
Obedient is somebody who complies or willing to comply with a request, order, or discipline.
Can you repeat the word again?
Obedient.
OBEDIENT.
All right, good job. Okay, one more adjective for you. Fastidious.
May I have the meaning, please?
Fastidious is somebody who's very attentive to and concerned about accuracy.
Can you repeat the word again?
Fastidious.
FASTIDIOUS.
You got it right.
Up next is Vivanshi Koti from Fitchi School, Madhapur, Hyderabad.
Johan, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Your first word, debilitate.
DEBILITATE.
Good job, you got it right. Your second word, benevolent.
BENEVOLENT.
Good job, both right.
Up next is Arjun Takkar from Chirek International School, KP, Hyderabad.
Ebullient.
Could you repeat the word, ma'am?
Ebullient.
Ebuliant.
Two misses there. It has two L's and it is ENT. Ebullient. I'm sorry, let me give you your second word. Diabolic.
Diabolic.
Good job. One right, one wrong. Thank you.
Up next is G. Sai Trilok from Maharshi Vidyalaya, Mehboobabaad.
First word. Jeopardy.
Gepedy.
I'm sorry, tricky word, tricky spelling. Jeopardy. But your second word. Kinetic.
Kinetic.
That came very fast. Good job.
So up next is G. Pranavi Reddy from Maner Hugs and Hearts International School, Karimnagar.
Iconoclast.
ICONICOLIST.
I'm sorry, you got it a little wrong. ICONOCLAST. Iconoclast. I'm going to give you your second word though. Juxtapose.
JUXTAPOUS.
Ooh, that's also a little wrong. JUXTAPOSE. Tricky words. Good effort. I'm sorry.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next participant is Suhana Soni from Kennedy High, the Global School, Bachupalli, Hyderabad.
Your first word. Labyrinth.
The definition?
It's a complicated and irregular network of passages.
Laberrant.
I'm sorry, the word is tricky. LABYRINTH. Really sorry, but let me give you your second word, which is judicious.
JUDICIOUS. Judicious.
That you got right. Good job.
The next participant is Ronish Padavala from Kennedy High, the Global School, Bachupalli, Hyderabad.
Garrulous.
Can I have the meaning?
The meaning of garrulous is somebody who is excessively talkative, especially on trivial matters.
GARRALOUS.
Only one thing wrong. GARRULOUS. But let me give you the second word. This one is significance.
SIGNIFANCE.
Oh, this also has got one miss. SIGNIFICANCE. I'm sorry, but good effort.
Up next, we have Sri Tripura Pindi Proli from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
Harbinger.
May I have the definition, please?
I will give it to you. A person or a thing that announces or signals the approach of another.
Can you please repeat the word?
Harbinger.
HARBINGER.
Yeah, after making me work that hard, you got it right. Your second word, culpability.
Could you please repeat that?
Culpability.
May I have the definition?
Of culpability, being response or deserving blame for something wrong.
CULPABILITY.
Good job.
Thank
Good
you.
job.
The next participant is Agasthan Srinivasan from Shine High School, Warangal.
Ready? Your first word, Nebulous.
May I have the meaning, please?
The meaning of nebulous is hazy, vague, or unclear.
Can you repeat the word again?
Nebulous.
Nebulous.
Good job. Got it right. Second word, algae.
Algae.
Good job. Both right.
Up next is Adrit Kumar Prasad from Vista International School, Hyderabad.
Your first word, dendrite.
Dendrite.
Okay, can you please repeat the spelling for me?
Okay. Dendrite.
Okay. Dendrite. You've got it right. I was hearing your DST, so that was my confusion. Got it. You got it right. I'm going to give you your second word, which is fissure.
Fissure.
Got it right. Good job.
I would now like to call upon Aditi Jairam from Cornerstone School, Hyderabad.
First word, gesture.
Can I have its meaning?
Gesture means movement of the body, especially hands, head, or face.
Gesture.
You are scarily right. Your second word, and gesture is something you are not using at all. Second word, palette.
Can I have its meaning?
Palette is something that an artist's board for mixing paints. It also has a meaning. It's a part of your mouth.
Palette.
Good job. Good job. So I want to tell all of you, in this round that not just in this round, in this entire competition, the words are selected to stump you, right? Unlike a classroom, which is there to make you comfortable, this is to confuse you. So go easy on yourself. If you have not got it right, it is because the words are meant to be difficult and they are meant to be tricky, not to go by the sound, but to go by, if you have come across. So it's absolutely okay if you did not get it right. All right? But good job, all of you. A huge round of applause for them.
So we will now have the tiebreaker of round 1. Okay, we have 3 participants in this tiebreaker. You will be given 1 word each. Okay? So the first participant in this round is participant number 11, Arjun Takkar from Chirek International School, KP, Hyderabad.
1 word, trickier, but the same love from us. Your word, Arjun, is sagacious.
Sagacious.
Did I say tricky? You got it right.
Up next is participant number 12, G. Sai Trilok from Maharshi Vidyalaya, Mehboobabaad.
Your word, right.
Reith.
Tricky because it starts with a W. WRITH and it ends with an E. I'm so sorry, but good job.
I would now like to call upon participant number 14, Suhana Soni from Kennedy High, the Global School, Pachupalli, Hyderabad.
Your word, rhizome.
The meaning?
So a rhizome is a modified horizontal underground plant stem that produces roots and shoots.
RISOME.
Almost. You were spelling it phonetically and very carefully, but it is meant to be a trick word. RHIZOME. I'm so sorry, but that's okay. It is a trick word. Don't feel so disheartened.
So we now move on to the elimination rounds. This is round 2. Each participant will be given 1 word to spell correctly, okay? So the first participant in this round is contestant number 1, Arnav Alluri from Global Edge School, Madhapur, Hyderabad.
Your word, diaphanous.
Can I have its meaning?
Diaphanous is something which is light, delicate, and translucent.
D-I-A-P-H-E-N-O-U-S.
One small error. You said E. It is diaphanous. I'm so sorry.
Up next is participant number 2, Sareen Talari Cheruvu from Chirek International School, KP, Hyderabad.
Your word, heinous.
Ma'am, can you tell me the meaning?
So, heinous is something extremely wicked, evil, or shocking.
Heinous. H-A-I-N-O-U-S.
Can you please repeat it?
H-E-I-N-O-U-S.
So you had said Hainous in the first go. So all of you, please speak to the mic, into the mic a little closer, because sometimes the D's and T's and A's and E's are not pronounced clear. I would certainly like to congratulate on the quick thinking that you figured out that, oh, I could have gone wrong with one letter and fixed it. But we will have to take your first spelling only, which was incorrect, okay? But good thinking, quick thinking. And also ensure that you're speaking very close to and clearly into them.
Up next is participant number 3, Vainavi Tulasi Ram from Global Edge School, Vasant Nagar, Hyderabad.
Your word is ineffable.
Can I have the meaning, please?
So ineffable is too great or extreme to be expressed or described in words.
Can you please repeat the word?
Ineffable.
I-N-E-F-F-A-B-L-E.
I was going to collapse. Good job.
Up next is participant number 4, Nimit Roy from Rockwell International School, Hyderabad.
Jejune.
Can you tell the meaning, please?
Yes. Jejune is something or someone simplistic, naive, or dull.
Can you repeat the word?
Jejune.
Okay. J-E-J-U-N-E.
Good job.
Up next is participant number 5, Toshani Mukherjee from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
Knackered.
Could I have the meaning, please?
Knackered is when you are extremely tired or exhausted.
K-N-A-C-K-E-R-E-D.
Phew, good job.
I would now like to call upon participant number 6, Vaishnavi Tulasi Ram from Global Edge School, Vasant Nagar, Hyderabad.
Your word is mellifluous.
Can you repeat the word?
Mellifluous.
Can you tell the meaning?
It is something which is very sweet sounding and smooth.
M-E-L-L-I-F-L-U-O-U-S.
That pause was killing, but you've got it right.
Up next is participant number 7, Anshika Baliveti from Johnson Grammar School, CBSE, Nacharam, Hyderabad.
Your word, obfuscate.
O-B-F-U-S-C-A-T-E.
Good job. Very good job. You got it right.
The next participant is participant number 9, Challa Nishant from Cornerstone School, Hyderabad.
Your word, perspicacious.
May I have its meaning?
So perspicacious is something or someone having a keen understanding.
Can you repeat the word?
Perspicacious.
Perspicacious.
Nice, nice. Good job.
Up next, we have participant number 10, Vivan Chikoti from Fiji School, Madhapur, Hyderabad.
Rambunctious.
Can you repeat the word?
Rambunctious.
Rambunctious.
Good job. Got it right.
I would now like to call upon participant number 11, Arjun Tucker from Chirek International School, KP, Hyderabad.
Quintessential.
Could you repeat the word, ma'am?
Yes. Quintessential.
Q U I N T E S S E N T I A L.
How cool, how slow, how steady. Good job.
Up next is participant number 16, Sri Tripura Pindiproli from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
Your word. Vicissitude.
VICISSITUDE.
See, I tell you, you make me work hard for nothing. Good job.
And the next participant is participant number 17, Agasthan Srinivasan from Shine High School, Warangal.
Your word. Persiflage.
May I have the meaning, please?
Yes. Persiflage is a light, bantering conversation, a light-hearted conversation.
PERSIFLAUGE.
There was no U in it. It is only PERSIFLAGE. But you are very cool-headed. Good job. You got that wrong, but.
Participant number 18, Adrit Kumar Prasad from Vista International School, Hyderabad.
Recalcitrant.
Can you repeat?
Recalcitrant.
May I have its meaning?
Yeah. So, recalcitrant is someone who's stubbornly disobedient.
RECALCITRANT.
Yes, yes, you got it right.
I would now like to call upon participant number 19, Aditi Jairam from Cornerstone School, Hyderabad.
Very energetic. Let me give you your word. Kleptocracy.
Can I have its meaning?
Yes, kleptocracy is a government where corrupt leaders use their power to steal the wealth and resources.
CLEPTOCRACY.
Everything is right except the first letter, which is KLEPTO. I'm so sorry, but that klepto is stealing and it's a government which steals from its people. Sorry, but very good job.
So we now move on to the next elimination round. So participants proceeding to this round will also be given one word to spell. So first participant in this round is participant number 3, Vainavi Tulasi Ram from Global Edge School, Vasant Nagar, Hyderabad.
Chiasmus.
The meaning, please.
Chiasmus is a rhetorical device where words or grammatical structure are repeated in reverse order.
Actually, can you repeat the word?
Chiasmus.
CHIASMUS.
You got it right. And I'm sweating.
The next participant is participant number 4, Nimit Roy from Rockwell International School, Hyderabad.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Epizeuxis.
EPIZUKSIS.
Couple of slips there. EPIZEUXIS. It was a tough word. Good effort. Good job.
And next we have participant number 5, Toshani Mukherjee from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
Abecedarian.
ABECEDARIAN.
Good job. Good job.
And the next participant is participant number 6, Vaishnavi Tulasi Ram from Global Ed School, Vasant Nagar, Hyderabad.
Your word is blatherskite.
Can you repeat the word?
Blatherskite.
What does it mean?
So blatherskite is a person who talks a lot of nonsensical things or makes empty talk.
BLATHERSKITE.
Cool-headed. Good job.
Up next is participant number 7, Anshika Valiveti from Johnson Grammar School, CBSE, Nacharam, Hyderabad.
Your word. Paralypsis.
Can you repeat the word?
Yeah. Paralypsis.
Meaning?
It is also a rhetorical device where a speaker emphasizes a point by pretending to pass over it or omit it.
PARALYPSIS.
One small error. PARALEIPSIS. Very sorry, but good effort.
So the next participant in this round is participant number 9, Challa Nishant of Cornerstone School, Hyderabad.
Flibberty gibbet.
May I have its meaning?
So it's a silly, flighty person.
Can you repeat the word again?
A silly, fighty person.
Can you repeat the word?
Yeah. Flibberty gibbet.
FLIBBERTIGIBBET.
How do you get this? Good job.
So the next participant is participant number 10, Vivan Chikoti from Fiji School, Madhapur, Hyderabad.
Welsh smers.
WELTSCHMERZ.
That was supposed to be a trick word, but good job. Good job. How, like, you learnt this word, is it? I see.
So up next is participant number 11, Arjun Takkar from Chirek International School, KP, Hyderabad.
Your word? Furlough.
Could you repeat the word, please?
Yes, furlough.
FURLOW.
That's the pronunciation of it, but the spelling is FURLOUGH. I'm sorry, it was a trick word. You got it wrong, but good job.
And the next participant is participant number 16, M. Sri Tripura Pindiproli from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
Your word? Burlesque.
May I have the definition?
Of burlesque, an absurd or comically exaggerated limitation of something, especially in a literary or dramatic work.
BURLESQUE.
The moment you know it's French or Italian, that happens, no? Good job.
I would now like to call upon participant number 18, Adrit Kumar Prasad from Vista International School, Hyderabad.
Hackneyed.
May I have its meaning?
So hackneyed is something so often used that it becomes boring and unoriginal.
Can you repeat the word?
Hackneyed.
Okay. Hackneyed.
You got it right.
So the competition is getting intense. We have 7 participants who are moving on to the next elimination round. I'll quickly read out the participants, not in a chronological order, but I'm just reading out the list of participants moving on to this round. Participant number 3, 6, 16, 9, 5, 10 and 18. Okay, so let's start with this elimination round then. Boxing gloves on. First participant is participant number 3, Vainavi Tulasi Ram from Global Edge School, Vasant Nagar, Hyderabad.
Your word? Malfeasance.
MALFEASANCE.
You got it right.
The next participant is participant number 5, Toshani Mukherjee from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
Assiduous.
Could I have the meaning, please?
Assiduous is something showing great care and attention.
Could you repeat the word?
Assiduous.
ASSIDUOUS.
Good job.
I would now like to call upon participant number 6, Vaishnavi Tulasi Ram from Global Edge School, Vasant Nagar, Hyderabad.
Your word? Erinaceous.
Can you repeat the word?
Erinaceous.
What does it mean?
It means resembling hedgehogs, or relating to or resembling hedgehogs.
E R R I N A C E O U S.
You missed one R over you added one extra R over there. The spelling is ERINACEOUS. Very sorry, but very cool-headed playing. Good job.
And the next participant is participant number 9, Challa Nishant from Cornerstone School, Hyderabad.
Your word? Epistolary.
May I have its meaning?
So epistolary is relating to letters or written communication describing a novel or a story.
EPICILLERY.
I am so sorry. The spelling is EPISTOLARY. I understand, very tricky, very technical. Sorry, but you got it wrong.
Up next is participant number 10, Vivanshi Koti from Fiji School, Madhapur, Hyderabad.
The word is pulchritude.
PULCHRITUDE.
You got it right.
So the next participant is participant number 16, Sri Tripura Pindiproli from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
Your word? Sepulchre.
Could you please repeat the word again?
Sepulchre.
S EPULCRE.
You missed it. You missed an H there. SEPULCHRE. Good game, good fighting. But that word got you. I'm so sorry.
Thank
You're
you.
a very good player.
I would now like to call upon participant number 18, Adrit Kumar Prasad from Vista International School, Hyderabad.
Your word is a quiz.
May I have its meaning?
A quiz is to accept something without protest.
Is it ACQUIESCE?
No, I'm sorry, not ACQUISCE. Trick, I know. Sorry, but you got it wrong.
Okay, so we now move on to the much heated rapid round. We have 3 participants going into this round, competing for gold, silver, and bronze medals. So let me quickly read out the participants going into this round. Participant number 3, 5, and 10. Can we give them a round of applause, please? So let's start with the rapid round then. I would like to call upon participant number 3, Vainavi Tulasiram from Global Edge School, Vasant Nagar, Hyderabad.
Okay, so good luck to you and good luck to me and us and all of you. Keep in mind that if you spell it right, I'll say right. If you say wrong, I'll say wrong. But at the end of the list, I will tell you the correct spelling, okay? So are we ready for your round?
Yes, ma'am.
Your time starts now. Vituperate.
VITUPERATE.
Insouciance.
INSOUCIANCE.
Good job. Irascible.
IRASCIBLE.
Apocryphal.
APOCRYPHAL.
Oh my God. Vexatious.
VEXATIOUS.
Okay, so the next participant in this round is participant number 5, Toshani Mukherjee from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
Your 60 seconds start now. Deleterious.
DELETERIOUS.
Correct. Curmudgeon.
THERMOGEN.
Not correct. Gatapan.
Could you repeat that?
Yeah, my first pronunciation was wrong. Getapan.
GHETTAPEN.
I'm sorry, that's wrong too. Concomitants.
CONCOMITANCE.
That one you got right. Wunderwaffe.
Could you repeat that?
Wunderwaffe.
WUNDERWHARF.
Okay, that's also not correct. You got the first one right. Did she get? Yes. The second one was CURMUDGEON. The third one was GUETAOPENS. Concomitants, you got right. The last one was WUNDER. So far, you were correct. And then it was WAFFE. I'm sorry, you didn't get 3 of them right, but it is a tough round. Good job.
So last man standing, participant number 10, Vivanchi Koti from Fiji School, Madhapur, Hyderabad.
If you're ready, your time can start now. Buccaneer.
BUCANIER.
Sorry, wrong. Lagoria.
LOGORIA.
Sorry, that's wrong too. Surreptitious.
SURREPTITIOUS.
Bingo on that. Exeque.
EXEQUOI.
Minor error there. Trichotillomania.
TRICHOTILLOMANIA.
One small error there. So TRICHOTILLOMANIA. Did he get exequy right? Okay, so you got it right. The wrong words were BUCCANEER. Interestingly, you got Logoria right? No. LOGORRHEA. SURREPTITIOUS. You had gotten this right. The last word is also right. Thank you. Good job.
So this is where things get heated. We have our gold medal, which has already been secured by participant number 3, Vainavi Tulasi Ram of Global Edge School, Vasant Nagar, Hyderabad. Congratulations. And we continue for the fight for the silver and the bronze medals. There was a tie in the rapid round, so more work for you now. Okay, so we have participant number 5 and participant number 10. Okay, so you will be given one word each. I would like to first call upon participant number 5, Toshani Mukherjee from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad.
So your word is abstemious.
ABSTEMIOUS.
Good job. You got it right.
I would now like to call upon participant number 10, Vivanchi Koti from Fiji School, Madhapur, Hyderabad.
Tenebrous.
May I have the meaning?
So tenebrous is when something is dark, gloomy, shadowy, or obscure.
Can you say the word again?
Tenebrous.
TENABROUS.
Everything right except it's not A, it's ETENEBROUS. Thank you. Good job.
So that's decided then. Let's congratulate Toshani Mukherjee for securing the silver medal, participant number 5, and Vivanchi Koti for securing the bronze medal, participant number 10. Congratulations to all the winners and all the other participants for coming till this round and taking part so actively.
Yes, and if I can tell you, it's not just you or us. Everybody is nervous and losing attention. So good job. Very, very well played.
And I would request B Masters to come onto the stage to give away the medals to all participants and the winners. And I would also request Mr. Rakesh Yadav. Okay, so I request all the parents, audiences here to give them a good round of applause while they receive medals because they deserve it. And all participants come one by one except those 3 winners. Let me call upon the bronze winner first. Vivan Chikoti from Fidzi School, Madhapur, Hyderabad has won the bronze. Cash prize 3,000 rupees and a gift hamper from Duke eBay. Let me call upon silver winner Toshani Mukherjee, Bharati Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Cash prize of 5,000 rupees there. A certificate and a gift hamper from Duke's Waffy. Okay, now the golden moment for Golden Girl. Come on, cheer up, guys. Vainavi Tulasiram from Global Edge School, Vasanti Nagar, Hyderabad has won the gold. Gold medal, cash prize of 8,000 rupees, a certificate and a gift hamper from Duke's Buffet. Now I request all parents of 3 winners, please come onto the stage and take part of this proud moment.